Fat burning and energy production. What does your body need to unlock its full potential? Many people struggle with stubborn fat that doesn't seem to bulge, no matter how much they exercise or diet. Others experience a significant energy drop as they age. Why does this happen, and how can you reverse it? Here's the truth. Your body must be in the right condition to burn fat effectively. Fat burning doesn't happen automatically, and it's not just about popping fat burners. For fat to convert into usable energy, it must reach your cells' mitochondria, the energy factories in your body. Let's dive into how you can prepare your body for efficient fat burning and energy production. Why isn't your body burning fat? Fat burning often stalls due to these factors: insufficient nutrients. Vitamins like B5, B complex, vitamin C, omega-3, magnesium, and potassium are essential for the chemical reactions that burn fat. Stress and inflammation can deplete these nutrients, stopping fat from being converted into energy. Toxins around cells. Junk food, metabolic waste, and environmental toxins damage your mitochondria, slowing energy production and fat burning. Constant sugar supply. Regular eating and sugar intake keep your body reliant on glucose for energy, preventing usage of fat. How to prepare your body for fat burning. Intermittent fasting. Reduce meal frequency to an 8-hour eating window or less, forcing your body to switch from burning sugar to burning fat. Balance your pH. Aim for 80% alkaline foods, example vegetables and fruits, and 20% acidic foods, meats and grains, to create an optimal environment for fat burning. Optimize nutrient levels. Ensure your body has enough B5, vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, and omega-3s to fuel the fat burning process. Protect your mitochondria. Increase your glutathione levels through liver detoxification to remove toxins and repair damaged cells. How does fat become energy? Once your body is ready, fat enters the mitochondria, where it undergoes chemical reactions to release energy. This process mimics the efficiency of your younger years, when energy levels were high thanks to clean cells and healthy mitochondria. Accelerate the process with fat burners. Certain natural ingredients such as citrus flavonoids, green tea extract, capsicum from peppers, and curcumin can speed up fat oxidation. However, these only work when your body is prepared for fat burning. Lifestyle enhancements. Sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours sleep per night to support energy restoration and hormonal balance. Hormonal boost. Intermittent fasting raises glucagon, testosterone, and growth hormone levels, which are crucial for muscle building and for fat burning. By implementing these strategies, you'll not only burn fat, but also regain youthful energy levels, stamina, and vitality. I've seen these strategies transform lives, and I know they can work for you too. Ready to get started? Let's create a personalized plan for your journey to burn fat towards a better health. Book your free consultation today. Click the link in the description. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more useful tips on natural health and wellness. I look forward to helping you live a life that feels decades younger.